What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Verasity here, and as we can see, we did get a really nice pump yesterday where we saw the basically Bitcoin chopping sideways for a good while. And basically we were looking at a nice little move back up towards this area that we were looking at here, where basically we come up to around that 6.7 cent swing high, which we've outlined here, obviously, where we were looking at that as being a decent bit of resistance. You can see here we actually did break through it, but we rolled over with Bitcoin basically shitting itself yet again and dragging the market to the downside, for want of a better word. And you can see here Verasity has actually come back down to the bottom of the little range that we were looking at it being inside of. But overall, still looking pretty strong in comparison to quite a lot of altcoins, which have been rolling over massively in response to Bitcoin basically dragging the market down. You can kind of see here we've just been pretty much ranging in an area like this, between this swing high here at around 6.7 cents and the previous all-time high at basically coming all the way back here to around, what was it, that 5.5 cent area. In and around this area here, you can see it there, that 5.7 cent all-time high that was the all-time high for a good while. So currently just chopping it up in between that level and that 6.7 cent level. On the hourly time frame here, it did look as though we were seeing a few bearish divergences on the chart here, and we did see a rollover as a result. We've come back down now to the bottom of the channel here, where we found a decent bit of support, as we said, on that 5.7 cent swing low. And now looking as though we're basically probably just going to see a little bit of a renaissance and potentially a bit more sideways action in this range. I mean, until the range is clearly broken and back tested, we're pretty much just going to probably say that we're going to see Verasity range bound for a good while here. Obviously, it's quite heavily correlated to Bitcoin, but it's actually doing quite well, as we said, in comparison to a lot of altcoins, and isn't rolling over too much. It's showing quite a lot of bullish perseverance, shall we say, of the bulls buying the dip, because you can see here, even though we've been quite bearish recently, we've just kind of been ranging in two ranges, one looking something like this, and then the second one, as we said, looking something like this. We were just ranging. We come down, we break to the downside, we come up with a big move to the upside, we get that swing failure pattern, we come down again, we swing failure pattern the bottom as well, and it looks as though we are just chopping it sideways right now in these little range areas. So overall, Verasity still just coiling up, consolidating. Looking at that daily time frame, you can see quite clearly, if I can actually zoom in properly, that basically we're still just consolidating on that previous swing high area at 5.7 cents before the next run up, and we do think that this is probably going to come fairly soon. You can see as well we're getting down towards this kind of macro trend line that we would say is the theme for Verasity currently. Obviously, if we roll over from here, we do have a nice little area of support at around 5 cents, but overall we'd say Verasity looking good. Hasn't really rolled over that much considering how bearish Bitcoin has been looking. And Bitcoin getting very overextended to the downside, so we are expecting that reversal sooner or later. We obviously did say that yesterday, and it did roll over even more, but it's looking horribly overextended now, and sooner or later we are going to see that big reversal, and Verasity is obviously going to benefit from that as well. So short-term price predictions then, if we roll over, we do expect this area here at 5.7 cents to hold. And if we do roll over beyond that, we do have a nice swing low down here around 5.25 cents that we could see a bounce as well. And moving to the upside, we do think that, considering Verasity, you know, this is a top quality project, isn't it? And it is showing a lot of strength. We could be looking at Verasity, you know, we want to see it coming back up into this, towards this 6.7 cent level area at the top of the range and retesting again before getting that continuation, as we said, towards that 10 cent level, which is the 127 extension of that fib that we pulled from that high to that low of 5.7 cents down to that, what was it, 3/4 cent level. And then when you can see that 127 extension at around 10 cents would be our next target. And then beyond that, as we always say, we really do think Verasity is a really top quality project. And considering how low the market cap is, We really do think 50 cents to $1 for Verasity could definitely be possible. And if that is the case, obviously, we're going to be seeing some massive gains. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.